If you're an average bloke like me, your fridge is going to look something like this. Not much in there. So I'm going to show you my Indomie hacks. Breakfast. First, you need a lot of Indomie. Then you'll need capsicum, rocket, mushrooms, coriander. Scramble those eggs. Boil some water, drop the noodles in. You know the drill. There you go. I'll follow it up tomorrow. Here's Indomie Hack 2, lunch. Left work early, took a sickie, and now I'm starving. You know what a jaffle looks like, right? Tomatoes, bread, spinach, cheese. Chuck those noodles on there. What a great cheese pull. The missus called. I've got 15 minutes to make dinner. Indomie Hack 3, dinner. And of course, Indomie. How am I still hungry? Indomie Hack 4, midnight snack. Let's go traditional. Indomie, anytime, anywhere.